guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Allison. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Subscribe to the channel before you leave. If you're a return subscriber, hey girl, hey, you know what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about my 1-year hair growth anniversary. So if you don't know, I'm going to show you guys a picture. In this picture, you see my hair on 8/27/2024, 1 year ago, like almost 1 year ago, to this day. And you see that I needed a haircut. Reason being is I had some crazy split ends. You also see on 5/16 my hair and where it's at now, and you see that patch. That patch is there because I cut my hair from a sew-in. It hasn't caught up just yet, but obviously can also be some breakage in there too. And then I will also insert a picture with my hair as of August 1st. So last year I had to cut my hair. I went to a new stylist. I was having some like crazy split ends, right? My prior stylist did a great job every time I went to her. Did like a wash, blow dry, always cute, hair always reverted back. But she used a black cape, and I don't know if it was because I was taking my iron supplements at that time, or if she wasn't able like cutting as much off because she, wanted to gradually cut the hair off, which I understand because I kind of like requested that too. But anyway, once I'm a new hairstylist, she went to give me a silk press. She's like, hey girl, your hair needs a serious haircut. And this is the first time I've seen my hair actually like against a background that's not black, so I could really like see what's going on with my hair. And I could tell like from that picture, like I really need a haircut. So we went ahead and we cut it. I'll insert the picture of like my hair after the cut during the silk press. The hair is all gathered together, so you don't really see like if she did miss a piece, we wouldn't see that because she put everything together great. Over the course of 2024, like toward the end of 2024 and towards 2025, I kept going to the same hairstylist and she kept giving me trims. Now I do have some previous videos about like my hair journey so far, and I'll link those above. But essentially, if you don't know, just to give you like a heads up, immediately after I got my first haircut in August 2024, I went and got a sew-in with this actual hair too. But anyway, taking down my hair, I cut into the braid. I had no idea, but that's what happened. And I also was experiencing breakage in the middle of my head. Middle of my hair, I have really coily texture, so over time it's not being conditioned, it's not being taken care of properly, it's going to snap, it's going to break, it's super fragile. It wasn't being detangled correctly either. That's just the truth. So fast forward January, right, we started to see some hair growth. August, we started to see some hair growth. I used to go to her like every 2 to 3 months, sometimes every 4 months, and I was going there and just get a blow dry and a trim. Now we're gonna fast forward to today. I went to her on this day and got a blow dry, like the wash, blow dry, trim, and she didn't really blow dry like bone straight like she used to, and I also feel like she was kind of like rushing, honestly. And so with that being said, we didn't take a picture in the salon suite at her suite. What I did was I came home because I have the same cape and the scissors and all that stuff. It's like one day I decided I was gonna do my own hair, but it's another story. And I just put my hair against like the cape at home and took my own selfies in the mirror. Now you guys can see that August 1st of 2025 to August 27th, 2024 to August 1st, 2025, my hair has grown back, but it is growing in layers. One is because that hole that I cut, even though it's growing back, what's happening in the back of my head is that when I cut that hole as well, because I cut it like in the middle and the back, it's not growing as fast and it may potentially be breaking. Well, that being said, I already talked to my stylist. We decided that in a couple months when I go back, she's going to basically even out the cut where that patch is like getting shorter and shorter, right? Which will require her cutting more hair. I don't want to do it, but I have to do it because she has this thing, like she says like something about like the fangs in the back of the head. And that's why people have like a lot of breakage, right? So yeah, With that being said though, this is my 1 year update comparison. I didn't really flat on my hair, right? Because the first photo was like a silk press versus like now it's like really blow dry and it's really rough blow dry. But you guys can see the difference between August 27th, 2024 and August 1st, 2024. I mean, August 1st, 2025. Now, continue to follow me on this hair journey, guys. My goal is to have my hair to the bottom of this measuring cape by February or March of 2026. And we're hoping that I won't have, it's either gonna like grow with like that hole, or it's gonna grow and we're gonna cut off the hole and it may not be at the end of the cape, but it's gonna be very full and thick. Let's talk about how I plan on getting there. Okay. So if you guys don't know, I do make my own hair oil. I do use like the Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner, and I do try to detangle with my fingers. Not always the case. And so what's gonna do is basically minimize the breakage. What I also do that you guys probably don't know or may have caught on, I don't really wear my natural hair out much. And if I do, I'll wear it in like braids if I'm running to the store, and I'll have it off my shoulders. Reason why is because the friction is gonna break off the hair. I used to do the cornrows right to the back and throw the wig on, and I wasn't blow drying my hair. Now, that's a no-no. So what I'll do is I wash, condition, blow dry, wash, condition, deep condition, leave-in conditioner, blow dry, obviously with some heat protectant spray, and then wear my hair in plaits. The reason why I do the hair in plaits now is because one, I can access my ends and moisturize them properly. Two, I am a tight braider, I have been told. I don't think I'm a tight braider myself, but if I'm a tight braider on others, I may be braiding my own hair too tight, and that will prevent breakage. Three, sometimes when I'm like doing cornrows to the back, I'm just like raking through my hair, and that's not a good thing to do. And four, it's just easier to moisturize and dry quicker. And so that's why I'll do in plaits. And right now I do have my hair in plaits under this wig. This is a bang wig, clearly, that I did myself, like a quick weave on a cap. Like a glue wig basically, and I plan on rocking this for a while. I may add some more blonde in this bang, but it'll look a lot better. But anyway, keeping my hair basically blow dried straight, right, with some tension, keeping it in plaits and keeping it moisturized and off my shoulders is how I plan on getting to that length in about a couple months. And then once I get there, I may just act up a little bit and do like a nice cute flexi rod set or something on it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick 1 year hair update. Like I said, it's almost 1 year. If you guys haven't checked out my other videos on my hair journey, make sure you do so. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks, and follow me on my hair growth journey as we're trying to grow my hair to bra strap length. It's like kind of at bra strap length now. It's definitely an armpit length, but I would say we're trying to grow my hair to almost waist length. So if you want to see me grow my hair to waist length, stay tuned. That's it, guys. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.